I am about to go cliff jumping. It's gonna be a really exciting day. I'm going with my friends. I want to meet them at a friend's house. Philip, you guys may know him as Rich Brian. Right now I'm about to go pick up Ryu and I'll introduce you guys to him. So let's go. Ryu? What's up, bro? Up to the vlog.
My name is Ryu. I'm 17 years old.
Give me your social security number.
Yeah, I'm just trying to live life and have this.
Yep. What are we about to do?
We're gonna go cliff diving.
We're about to go cliff diving. We're on our way to Philip's house to meet up with everybody. Then we're all gonna head out together to St. Cloud, which is about an hour away. But Philip's house is about an hour away, so we are using a ton of gas right now. Anyways, see you guys there. I'm swiping the camera and we're gonna be there. 3, 2, 1. Hey, we're here. We got here so quick. Now we're about to go into Philip's house. This is right here. It's really hot out here. My legs hurt. I feel like I'm short. My ass hurts. I think I have a wedgie. I don't know. Well, here we go. We're going inside.
Hi.
Oh yeah, I already introduced you.
Yeah.
Alright, introduce yourself.
My name is Tom, and yeah.
He humps doors.
It looks like a hole.
Yeah.
You guys already met Sophie.
My name is Avian.
Give me your social security number, where you live. What kind of toilet paper you have?
I have.
Oh, but you won't let me give out my number.
What's the bears? What is that?
Charmin.
And this is Tess.
Yeah, they're on the roof.
So-
Like turtles. And Michael on the roof.
Oh yeah, gotta go. Philip
And
him.
Steven.
Philip him. You scared the shit out of me. You're too black. Introduce yourself to the vlog, bro.
Oh, hey, yo, what's up? I'm Michael.
Playing right now.
I'm playing some Fortnite.
Oof.
About to bust a nut real quick.
And oh yeah, Steven.
Yeah.
What's up? He scared me. Tom, what is this? Explain what you're doing.
This is a black sperm. What? And if you give this to a woman, she will have a light skin. If you give this to a woman, she will have a smirk. Damn, that's so cute. Yeah, Becky.
Woman, you can have this kid.
I'm missing
What the? Everyone's not here now, but everyone's on their way. But hey, look, Tom and I are flexing with our shorts. Look at that.
Hey, pineapple.
Ooh, I don't know what these animals are.
Those are
Flamingos or something?
flamingos.
Flamingos or something. I don't know. See what everyone else is doing. Wait, what happened? What happened? Oh, you died. You got in second place. 12 kills in second place.
I hate my life.
Start our cliff diving early. We're doing our cliff diving. It's pretty deep.
From here?
Right?
No, don't do it, Michael.
You won't. That's not fun. Exactly.
You won't.
Let me bust my shit.
Hey, pull the trap.
Alright, so right now we're meeting everyone else at the Quarries. We're all heading out. Wow, it is bright out here. I'm about to be a me dang. But yeah, we're meeting everyone at the Quarries. And yeah, it should be really fun. Look at my towel! That's my towel?
Yeah.
So cute. We're about to pull over because there's a wasp in the car.
Get it?
Here, look.
Do that.
Let it go, let out, let out. Where'd it go? Open the trunk. The wasp is like literally in our seat. Dude, we're so why do we put it in there? It's out. It's out. The wasp is out. The wasp. Did it actually get out?
Yeah, I saw it.
Hey, I'm closing all windows now, bro.
Check my bankroll, AO 400K for vehicle. Paint job look like ashy ankles on Django. Interior look mango. Shotgun gravy look like mayo. Golden voice on payroll. Neck all go like KO.
Chill. I'm just trying to put a sticker on.
Hey, who beat you up?
Oh, you got
I don't know.
I hit him with the baseball. You know, he was right. I'm the dominant one.
Oh my god, you see how this is so intense? Hey, don't fuck up.
Whoa, hey, wait, watch out. What are you doing, Steven? License and registration, please. Dude, he just turns around and pianos. Bro, I'm like,
here's my license and registration.
yeah. Oh, look who came. Vlog squad. Introduce yourself. Oh,
Ben Film.
Ben Films.
So, this is Ricky. Oh, this is Tia.
This is Tia. Hey, this is Tia. Introduce yourself.
I'm Jaden from Iowa.
Give me your social security number, where you live. What kind of toilet paper you use? Now we are on our way to this hike, to the cliffs right now. I don't know how far the hike is, but we are going. No!
See this? This is what you call an ass. Oh yes, baby.
Do you like this hike?
Oh, dude, I want to drive. I don't appreciate it, dude. My having Bigfoot comes out of nowhere and just fucking eats me.
That's true, man. That's really good knowledge. Do it again, do it again. Oh my god, oh shit. So aggressive. Aww. Aww. Dun, 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 dun. You guys get back there?
Yeah, we good.
Dude, look at this. So sick. We're getting our way to the treacherous woods. Oh shit! Oh, parkour! Parkour! 3, 2, 1, go.
Record me, bro. Jump game.
Woo!
I'ma show you out, show you out, show you out to love again. I'ma show you out, show you out, show you out to love again.
Go!
I'm scared.
Go!
Oh, that's kind of scary.
Go! Yeah, see?
Think about it.
Go.
I'm gonna just jump. I'm not mentally prepared yet, you know.
Hey, do it for the video, man.
No.
Do it for the video.
You said no.
How do you feel right now?
Dude,
Dude, I'm scared as hell too, bro.
I don't want to.
Just when you look down, it's so scary.
So many times, I'm so scared.
Why'd you open your arms?
Jump.
Oh shit. How?
So this will happen. So on that slippy thing, I slipped and like
You cut it?
back and hit it. Yeah.
Oh.
Most SpongeBob thing.
I'm next. Betty!
Jump it. I need some hype music. What is this? I'm gonna die with this happy ass music. You want a ruffle?
What the fuck?
Damn!
Hey, let me a broken heart.
Just sitting there.
It's a show.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Yep.
So with it. Yeah.
Damn, that's cute, Ricky.
Yes, sir.
Ooh.
this?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, you ugly.
This is Ricky. We're YouTube. We're filming. Yeah. Yo, boy. Let's get it. Cloud chasing.
We're done cliff jumping. Now we are heading back to the car. What do you guys think? Rate that. How did you feel?
Shit. You know, I thought low-key, I thought it was gonna be bigger, but I think that's too big.
Yes, it was too big. That cliff right there.
But it's too.
How do you do a face flip?
You do a flip, but you land on your face. I should be on the trampoline. So why?
He's dying. He's dying. I'm dying too. He said, hey, look at me, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Alright, now we're back at the car. Everyone's here changing. I think we're about to go to McDonald's, but I don't know what we're doing after. Probably not going to do anything. Probably going to go home, probably. Anyways, look at this golden hour. We're about to head out. Everyone say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. No one's saying bye, but anyways, probably see you guys in the next video. Peace out.